Okay, guys. Thank you for joining me on this call. I just want to show you how I've been using ChatGPT to improve my email marketing campaigns and how you can use it too in your business, in your e-commerce business, internet marketing business, and all sort of business to improve your email marketing campaigns, especially when depending on email marketing for your promotions. So I have been using ChatGPT for some times now to specifically for my email marketing campaigns to improve uh, my writing skills and improve my rate for email marketing. So and it has been amazing, seriously, and I think would like to share that with you. So recently, I discovered that a lot of persons are using ChatGPT for the various reasons, but specifically, I just want to use it for my email marketing campaigns, and I be able to use it to improve the conversion rate, craft bulk emails, and do stuff fastly than before. So that's what I want to show you on this video. And on this channel, I will be showing my journey using ChatGPT and other AI tools to improve my business, and especially in the areas where my business have shortcomings. So just come with me and let's see how we use this to improve my business. So I'm going to start first with an existing chat I have with the chat GPT. So you can see that I use it to create an email that will be sent out for a weight loss product. And you can see how the email is being drafted by ChatGPT, and this is the prompt. Write an email marketing campaign email promoting a weight loss diet. So, and this is what the output gave me from the prompt. And above that, I now ask extend further to wrap up it with a short story and add an offer to it. And this is what it gives to me. So you can see that it's adding your weight loss and my story and special offer. So this is the subject of the email. I might probably change this later. And this is the intro of the email. This is the plan insight, which is benefit and other features that comes with the email. Then we have the offer here. We that might be incorporated in the email, and this is the hook to the offer. We have a PS, which is a scarcity and um, last time offer trick on it. You say don't wait any longer to start filling it. So this is just to pull action. So this is what we'll be doing. I'm going to go to let's try another product. So this is done. So let's say okay, I have written this. So let's just continue in the weight loss line because ChatGPT is when you're dealing with a specific topic or a particular topic, you have to continue in that chat. So let's see, um, suggest meals, suggest best converting emails, subject, lines, sorry, for the above email. So this is what we are going to see. So it's finally achieve your worldly dreams, you're proven married and lose weight. So these are the various headlines that we can use or a subject that we can use for this email campaign. So and from this subject lines we have now, we can generate more emails from it. For example, I say okay, from this let's see, so let me choose let's take the second one. So we take this, say okay, write an email like the above email using this subject, so subject line. Okay, so we just paste that and send. So basically what we're doing is we are dealing with weightless product on this chart. So everything that concerns weightless products will be on this chart. So you see it gives us the headline that we have given the chat GPT, and it's writing an email based on that headline. So we can write based on any of this subject line we have. Then we can wrap it up with a story. We can add a persuasive triggers and hooks. We can have all other copywriting skills and component that we need to improve our emails. For example, we can throw in um, an open offer, a storyline, a bridge, a suspension, and a series, whatever it is that you want to throw in for it. And yeah, ChatGPT, I believe that you can use this tool effectively, but most times it's going to repeat what is giving you, so you have to tweak your prompt. For example, now we are going to say um, from the Windows journey story of a 32 years old lady with happy ending. So did you see what is giving us now? So it says, I want to share you a story of one of my client. It's a 32-year-old man named Sarah. She is struggling with weight loss, and this is just the story. And you see that it waves the story into the email, then now bring out the email, our product features, and just like Sarah, which is bringing the seller experience into this. We are going to do this for you. So basically, this is how to use ChatGPT to improve your email marketing campaigns. For example, most times we know that your story sells and is captivating, and it shows share feelings of emotions for product or the pain that the user is experiencing. And most times when you're incorporating or you're using ChatGPT, it's good to wire in a story and probably a hook for it, or an offer or whatever you know that you're using to employ the copywriting tricks into your email campaigns. So we are going to be doing more of this. I'm just doing this video as a test, see who is interested. So if you're interested in more of this, I will show you how to craft the best prompt to get you the best email marketing um, copywriting email campaigns that you ever want using ChatGPT. Thank you very much for joining. This is just my first time recording on this channel, and I believe you will enjoy the content. Thank you very much.